Greetings from Shakthi International School. In this video, I'm going to show you a small demo. That means that's an animation demo in Scratch application. See here, this is a basic window what we are using here to animate the sprite. All the objects we are calling as a sprite here in this Scratch application. I'm going to make a two sprite in a single step, and I'm going to show this like walking. Okay, I'm going to take a sprite here. Already the sprite is available. I'm going to take one more sprite. See costumes. There's a two sprites are there. I'm just removing. It's a default sprite and the costume one. I'm going to add one more sprite using import. There is a button called import for adding a new sprite. So I'm just going to add a new sprite. This is a sprite 2. Cat 2 is a sprite 2 here. Now you can see this is a sprite 2. This is sprite 1. You can see the legs. The leg is changing here. When we are seeing this, see, I'm just changing the cursor point. We can see it is showing a virtual image like walking. Right now we are going to do the same work, same animation work. We are going to make the sprite moving from one place to another place with two sprites going to do, but while seeing it's making as a single sprite view. I'm just giving a codings for this. When green flag clicked, here what we are going to do small movements, right? I'm taking here move 10 steps and control button I'm taking here, and I'm just going to use a repeat option here. See, repeatedly the sprite need to move here and there, and there is a costume. We are having a costume, right? Here two costumes are there. So after the first costume, second costume should come. Then only we can create an animation properly. So here I'm going to add a looks, right? I'm going to change a sprite next costume, because here we are having two costumes, two sprites. First sprite already there, it's a default sprite. Second one, we are going to make the second one included in our project to make the animation very lively. So second one, see, now we are going to do the same thing. Script. So what we have done, move 10 steps and next costume. Now we are going to check the green flag. Can you see it's going? But we couldn't see properly. I'm going to give here 25 as a step, and I'm going to show that I'm going to include weight. Then we can see both the sprites are participated in this animation. See here, now I'm going to click the green flag. Yeah, you can see the leg of the sprites. Two sprites are playing. It's moving from one place to another place. While seeing, it looks like a single sprite and it's very lively. See here. Yeah, sprite is moving from one place to another place, but it is indirectly showing as it looks like an animation, right? It's walking from one place to another place. But we only know there are two sprites are included here in this project. For this, I'm just reducing the duration, weight duration. Now somewhat you can see clearly it's going from one place to another place. Just I'm going to make this as a presentation mode. Now we can see the sprite is working very clearly. We are using two sprites, even though it's not looks like that. It's like a single sprite and it is animating. We can animate the sprite very easily with a inbuilt scripts what is available. We need to think, and we have to use the proper blocks, proper codings, predefined codings, and we have to make the animation very lively. This is how we have to create animation, small animation, step by step. I am going to show you next demo in the next video. Thank you all. Have a great day.